Hello, you are very welcome to the Mastermind channel. Today I'm going to talk about a subject that I think is going to be very good for you and your family. Today I'm going to talk about anxiety. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and activate the bell, because when you activate the bell, you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started now. The last 3 videos I talked about depression. Depression and anxiety are often associated. And since depression can increase anxiety and vice versa, it is important to seek treatment for both conditions. Anxiety and depression are significant public health problems, and they affect a wide segment of the general population. So, what is anxiety? Anxiety is a word that comes from Latin, and it means suffocate, anguish, squeeze. And it's okay to experience occasional anxiety in life. It's part of life. For instance, if you go to a job interview, or if you go on a date for the first time with someone, or if you're taking a course, or if you're going to do a medical exam. All these are sources of stress, and they can lead to anxiety. Anxiety also has an adaptive function. From the moment that a child has experiences a danger or a threat and experiences fear, they experience anxiety. And anxiety is present throughout all its development. But there is a difference between adaptive anxiety and pathological anxiety. Pathological anxiety is when the reaction to fear is unrealistic, is irrational, and is exaggerated. So the person that has pathological anxiety has a reaction to fear very intense and frequent, and overreacts. So what are the symptoms of anxiety? It's important to know the symptoms so that you can learn, first of all, if you have them and how to deal with them. Chest pain and shortness of breath. The person has the feeling that has a pain in the chest and it cannot breathe. It doesn't have enough air in the lungs. Increased heart rate and palpitations also. Sweating, dry mouth, or tremors in the members, especially in the hands. Also, the person feels overheat. Hypervigilance. The person has a problem sleeping and maintaining a good night's sleep. Lack of concentration, irritability, fatigue. Also, all this lack of patience and irritability can lead to problems, social problems, and interpersonal relationships. Catastrophic thoughts, the thought that something really bad is about to happen, terror is about to happen, and it can happen in any moment. That's very stressful also. So these are the symptoms of anxiety, and they cause also muscle tension. The person gets tense all the time. So it's very difficult to deal with these symptoms when you don't know how to. There are different types of anxiety. In the next videos, I'm going to talk about the different types of anxiety and give you some advice of how you can learn how to deal with the symptoms of anxiety and how you can act in a preventive way as well. So thank you for staying until the end. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, leave your like and share this video because it can be important for someone to learn a little more about anxiety, especially in this pandemic situation that we are experiencing. Okay, so until the next video, bye now.